Now, we know the weather's hot, Kev, but this van is literally hot off the press, isn't it?
Just this minute coming.
Literally just this second.
Engine's not cold.
Now, just come in, right? And it's an Elddis Majestic 196.
Majestic being a dealer special.
Yeah, because normally it's an Elddis Autoquest.
Yeah.
So with a Majestic, what do you do? Well, you get an awning, cab lines, things like that.
Yep.
Now,
alloy wheels as well, isn't it?
Totally.
Yeah.
Yep. Now it's a 2021 Kev. One owner from you. Yep.
Yep.
Mileage guess?
24,000.
5,457 miles. That's all it's done. Okay. It's been checked every year.
I knew that really because I just looked on speed and I didn't want to repair an oil. I did, I looked on speed.
Service history, hab history, everything's there with it. Freshwater capacity?
100.
I'll give you that.
Yeah.
Alright then. Waste?
80.
70.
Yeah.
Why are you standing over there?
Because you're standing over there.
Yeah, we're leaving on the van.
Oh, I've got all the van in, you see. If you go closer, you lose some of them.
Oh, it's 6 berth, 6 belted seats, Kev.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And it's 7.34 metres. It's at 3,500 kilograms as well. And it's a 2.2 litre diesel. Okay, so anybody can drive it on any licence. Yep.
They're always on the Peugeot anyway, the Elddis, aren't they?
Yeah, they are, aren't they? Yeah. Awning.
Yep.
Let's have a nose around here. LPG.
Yep.
Provisions for the bike rack.
Reverse camera. That's because it's a dealer special.
Freshwater, wastewater.
Yep.
Yeah. They're all doing that now, aren't they?
Yeah. That one's look.
Cassette tours.
Oh,
inside covers too.
A nice bin.
Thing about the Elddises is nice, easy control panel.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, there's a master
Switch on.
doesn't it?
Yeah, you got your pump and then you got your lights, and that is it.
Yeah.
The other good thing as well is your whale system.
Yeah.
So you've got your heating and hot water, and you basically put it on gas or electric, whichever one you want. Nice and easy peasy.
And lounge.
So, and lounge curve, still got the TV in it. Looks like these haven't even been used.
Nope.
Right. Underneath. What have we got underneath there, Kev?
Storage.
Now, why would you? I need to show you this. Right. I need to show you this, Kevin. I do need to show you this. Well, I need to show everybody this, actually. Right. So, when they decided to put the pump in,
Yeah. Right in the middle.
right in the middle, what was the thinking there?
Yeah. So if you want to put 2 chairs under there, you haven't got a prayer.
I know. Let's put the pump right in the middle. Could have put it there.
Yeah. I'd be tempted to move that, you know.
Well, you've got to move your pipe in then, haven't you?
Yeah, it's only push fit.
Yeah. But do you know what I mean? Right, hang on, Kevin. Would it not have been easier to have actually put the pump there and you wouldn't have needed the extra pipe, would you?
No.
Right. Okay.
Silly.
So Elddis must pay thousands for people to design stuff.
Yeah. Family business, Elddis.
Is it? I thought Armour brought them now. They don't do caravans anymore, do they, are they?
No, well, it started as a family business because it's Siddle, spelt backwards.
Yeah.
It was a Siddle family.
So, I've got to have a look under this one now, see what they put underneath here. Oh, nothing, you've got your gas locker there, Kev.
Right.
Yeah. So, this is going to make up, obviously, into the bed.
Transverse double.
Transverse double. Right.
Not long enough to sleep singly.
No. Lift the uppie.
Yeah.
I don't mind that, actually.
No.
I don't mind that. Now, these are about 50k on the internet, Kev.
Yeah.
And we're going to do them a bit cheaper because we brought this right.
Yeah.
I do like the lockers though, Kev.
Yeah. Plenty of storage.
What have I got here?
Oh, that's good with this, because you've got your separation.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm having that. I'm having that, Kev.
Yeah. That'll go right over to here. There's a magnet there for the long one.
That's not even been used because the sticker hasn't even come off.
No.
It's been taken off.
I think the reason is they've not slept in that part.
No, it's not been used.
I think they've probably used either the drop down bed or made a bed up in the front.
Right. Freestanding table.
Yep.
Solar.
Yep.
What's that? Aerial.
Aerial.
Yeah.
Is the solar wired up to, just the one battery?
No, just to the one battery,
just
mate.
leisure battery?
Yes, that's getting leisure.
Why did they do that? Why don't they wire it up to the vehicle batteries? Right?
Why'd you put a pump in the middle of it?
True.
Trimmer solar. They've had that done extra, haven't they?
Yeah.
And then you've got all your drawers. Now, Kevin, good prep area.
Yeah.
We're liking it.
Yeah.
Nice sink. Yeah, good size actually. We've got changing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Built-in microwave.
Yeah, and then we've got 3 burner hob.
Yep.
Hot plate.
Separate oven grill.
You're right.
Yeah, full-size cooker.
And again, we're getting more storage, Kev. Drawers all the way down.
You know the one thing that bugs me though, it's a 6-berth van.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at the size of the fridge.
Yeah. I suppose you could put that there.
Yeah, could have had a tall fridge there, couldn't it?
You could have. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, nice slimline one, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we could have put the pump there.
Yeah.
Combined or separate?
Combined. Combined.
It's not bad.
It's a wet room.
Yeah, it's not bad actually, is it?
No.
Any storage in there?
Yeah. Good size actually, good size wet room. Yeah, got storage here. Plenty of storage. It is a good size wet room actually. You got a halo.
Right.
Tighten it up.
Storage.
Yep.
Storage.
Yep.
And then underneath there you have got consumer unit.
Yep.
Again, conveniently put right in the middle as well. And then leisure batteries the other side for the outside hatch. So what we can do then, it looks like, yes, this will pull out, Kev.
Yeah, so you make another double there.
Another double. This drops down
onto
the slats.
Yep.
So we've got another there.
It has been hab serviced every year, AWS, and that service history is all the service history we've got.
So it's got loads.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you, Emily, for the news flash update.
It's alright, have you made that up into a bed?
Yeah.
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 Good. Okay, fine.
Okay. She's bossy, isn't she?
Bed now, haven't we?
She's bossy, isn't she?
Yeah.
It's like having 2 wives here for you, isn't it?
Oh, it's a nightmare, Kev.
Jason, I'm melting.
Yeah, I know. Just bear with me, Kev. We're professionals.
So it's not like her saying, have you made the bed up, you know?
Hey?
Well, like for Emily saying, have you made the bed
Yeah,
up?
I know. Exactly.
She's not hearing all this heat.
Exactly, Kev. Don't realise what we go through to give people what they want to see. So please, if you don't want to see beds being made up, please let us know in the comments, because she reads them and she'll say, oh, well, we're not making the beds up. But there we are, in conditions that are very
tropical.
Tropical, that was the word I'm talking about, Kev. Tropical conditions.
You get the gist of it anyway, don't you?
Of course you do. Just show them the cushions over there. That'll go with it. Them cushions.
Yeah.
Because we can't take them out of the pack.
These cushions here are still in the pack, and they do all the infills.
Yeah.
And what you would do is you turn the other cushions upside down because they've got knee roll on them.
Like that?
Yeah. Otherwise you'll end up with a lump in your back.
You don't want a lump in your back?
No. Last thing you want is a lumpy back.
Right. So there is your bed.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Oh. No, that doesn't work. I'm worn out. 2, 4. Where was the other bed? Oh, ball vintage.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Hang on, Kevin. It's got that. Just there. Go on then.
There's your control.
Oh, just be careful. There's your bed.
Yep.
That's a good size, isn't it?
Yeah, good size double.
Yeah.
Fly screens, the blinds closed on the front.
Well, if you lift the bed up, I'll go and do it, Kev.
Off you trot. Sounds like me in the morning, that.
Just done it.
That's better.
Oh, they're warm.
So I take it your driver's seat don't swivel anyway, because you got them.
Yeah, it does.
Does it?
Yeah. Look.
Can't see the point in it really, because you got them seats stuck in front of you, haven't you?
Well, no, because at the end of the day, if you want to chill out here,
Yeah.
do you know what I mean? So that's not bad. We haven't done the cab.
6-speed manual.
Blinds. We've got
Blinds on the side.
blinds on the side, look, Kev.
Yeah. Right, so yeah, we've got blinds there, but also, Jason, we've got curtains as well, haven't we?
Where? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's a good little touch.
Yeah.
That's, you know why that is?
Did that on purpose, didn't you? Made me do the blind.
I know, yeah. Right. You know why? You know why it's still got curtains?
Go on.
Because on the original model, it doesn't have the blinds. Dealer special.
There you go.
So you got blinds on your windscreen. And
We've got sat nav on this, Kev.
Yep.
We've got a reversing camera.
Yeah.
We've got aircon as well.
So they're all the dealer special things. The
Yeah, I'd say so, wouldn't
reverse
they?
camera and that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because on the standard one, they just have the curtains. They don't have the blinds.
Yeah. So there we go, the Elddis. It's a 6-berth family van.
Yeah.
It's
A good size. A good size van, aren't they?
Yeah, it's been well looked after actually.
Yeah.
You've got your drop-down bed. You could have make a little bed here as well, couldn't you?
Yeah. For
You can have a
kids.
little bed there, or you can make it into one big
Yeah.
bed. You've got your transverse make-up bed at the back, haven't you? Separate shower,
We've got
microwave.
we've got a telly in it as well.
Oh, we've got telly as well.
Yeah.
So there you have the Elddis 196. Nice van. We'll put it at a nice price. Great family van.
Yeah.
So if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe. I'm soaking, I'm wet.
I'm melting.
Kev's melting, but we'll carry on.
We will.
Right.
We'll soldier on.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.